my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy SJ254, man. You're tuning in for another one. Check out the fresh tee, a wife beater, fresh out the press. Made that thing. I was like, what I want to wear today. Couldn't decide. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna make something. Let me turn the light on. I don't ever really be in here. That light is really yellow. Or should I say that light is really warm. Alright, so basically what I want to do is I want to show y'all this new package I got. And I think that this is like the perfect tripod for any, either whether you're a seasoned YouTuber, a mid-grade YouTuber, like I would say myself. I would classify myself as like a mid-grade YouTuber. But yeah, so if you're a mid-grade YouTuber or a beginner or a seasoned vet, I think that this right here, this what I'm about to show you, tripod tool, is awesome. So let me get it out the bag. Came from yours truly, Amazon Prime. So take it out the bag. I kind of pre-opened this already. It is what it is. So it is the Formal tripod, Formal mini tripod. After going to the Whip Fest, I saw this. Well, I don't know if this is the exact one I saw, but when I looked on the video or when I looked on the Amazon website, it looked the closest to what I thought I saw at Whip Fest. So there was like one more version or whatever of this that I believe is like larger. It was like fucking 50 bucks though. This one was like 20. Then they had a coupon, so it came out to like 18 or some shit. So for less than 20 bucks, this could be the tripod that you need as a YouTuber, content creator, whatever. So this is pretty much replacing. Let me show you what it's replacing. I had this one here, the Joby Trash. There was a crack that happened. Let me see if I can show it to you. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, there's a crack in there where the third leg won't attach. It's no longer a tripod. It's useless now. So thanks a lot, Joby. I'm good though. I'm good. This one that I'm finna show you is the one that you want, and it was much cheaper. So like I said, this one here is from Amazon, made by, or the brand is Formal. Doesn't come with any instructions, but I mean it's a tripod. Man, I don't know how much instruction you need to work a tripod. Well, hold on. It might be something in here. Oh, it does come with instructions, just in case you couldn't figure it out. Because instructions help, and reading is fundamental. But anyway, let me get to the point why I feel as if this thing is like the last tripod you ever needed as a YouTuber. Alright, so basically I'm just sitting there. I had to sit the camera on the desk and prop it up with like one of my tools that I be putting on the decals with. Anyway, 3-leg tripod. The legs are very easily flexible, like very easily flexible. So if this would be too tall, technically you could just like bend these up and then you can still sit the tripod down, and it can sit lower, so you can get the desired shot. As far as everything, like I said, I've read quite a few reviews in a very short number of time, and I pulled the trigger and I made a decision. So this is what I ended up with. So not only do you have, you know, the very flexible legs that can hang on to something, I'll show y'all a demonstration of that in a minute. Also, you can, has this ball head. So with the ball head, it's very easy to move. If you need to move it over to the side, all the way this way, all the way that way, and then tighten it down in position so that you can get the shot, desired angle, whatever it is that you want. Then lock it back into place using the little knob right here. So here, part number on this, or model on this, says FF10. So FF10, just in case you were wondering, I'll put the link down in the description box below if you want to get one. What I thought was really, really, really cool, I'm saying, like I said, so if you have a full-size DSLR like this one here, then it may be a little bit too much. What I'm filming on is my Canon M50. Like it's good. It's good to go. This one may be a little bit too much. I guess you just kind of have to gauge it and try to see for yourself. I don't use these larger, I don't use my DSLRs to record, so for me this is not even going to be a thing. This is the D600. I mean, it holds pretty well. So I mean, I guess if you wanted to put this big ass camera on there, I mean, it would work in theory. So not only does it work for your large size DSLR and your smaller mirrorless camera like the one that we're filming on now, it also can hold a phone. But yeah, everything can hold a phone. Everything can hold a phone, duh. But no, let me show you this. So this one transforms. What? This one transforms so it can hold a phone. So say that you're filming on that, and then this way you don't have to carry multiple tripods or multiple stabling devices or whatever. So all you have to do, say that, okay, filming on the camera, boom, 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 battery die, whatever, boom, we're gonna flip it over to the phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and so if I was to want to put this phone onto here, there are no additional tools or attachments that are needed. All you have to do is make it transform. Oh shit, son. Did y'all see that? Let me do it one more time for the camera. Alright, so regular mounts, but then it transforms. So then it goes from there, and you can pop your phone into there. Like I said, I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a fairly large phone, but as you can see, it holds it no problem. So this is awesome. I love the tripod. I haven't even really used it yet, but just from the reviews and from me, you know, just showing you what it's capable of right here, then I'm really excited. Really excited. It's not magnetic, I don't believe. So I mean, if you're looking for a magnetic one, this is not it. But for all that you can do with it, I mean, I really think it's the bee's knees. You know what I'm saying? It's the bee's knees. So yeah. So yeah, the ability for this to like hang on a something. Matter of fact, let me show you. Let's go. Alright, so like I was telling you, I'm gonna show you a demonstration. So this is the tripod. Let me see if it'll open sesame to my face. Turn the other way so you can't see my passcode. So say that we wanted to film a video. So we want to film a video right here, as you can see. So we in a man cave or in this little area, and we just want to shoot a video. It's not too badly lit, as you can see, but while the picture is pretty much straight, the actual, where it's mounted at, it's mounted on a slant, but it's not gonna move. It's not gonna move. It's not gonna move. So I think this is a really cool part of it. I'm gonna switch over to this camera. So I think that it is. So I think it's a really cool camera or tripod. Like I said, it also had that little mount on the side where you can add flashlight, tripod, whatever it is you want to add on there. Let me see what the light will do. So yeah, if we need to do like better light this area, it's like a light right there, a light upstairs, whatever, we can do it like that. So yeah, pretty much. So if you were to ask my opinion on what tripod you should get to take to different events, car shows, etc., etc., shooting stuff around the garage, around the house, whatever, this tripod right here, I definitely recommend. This is not a paid review. This is just a review on something I thought would be very helpful to y'all. So I'm sharing it with you. So link down in the description below. Go get you one, man. It's your boy, LSJ254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity or procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop.